Many creators have experienced the moment when a new video gets posted, gains some early views, and builds excitement, only for everything to suddenly slow down a couple of days later. The views seem to stop out of nowhere. It may feel random, but there is a clear reason behind it. And once that reason is understood, the whole process starts to make sense. When a new video goes live on YouTube, it is placed into a test phase. During this stage, the platform shows the video to a small group of people. Most of these viewers are the channel's own subscribers, along with a few others who have recently watched similar content but do not subscribe yet. YouTube then observes how these viewers react to the video. The platform looks at several factors: whether people click, whether they watch beyond the first 30 seconds, if they finish the video, whether they interact by liking or commenting, and if they continue watching more videos from the same creator afterward. These early signals help YouTube understand how appealing the video is. If the video performs well in this initial test, meaning viewers click and stay engaged, YouTube begins recommending it to more people, leading to more views. However, if viewers ignore it, stop watching early, or do not interact, the algorithm assumes the video is not interesting or valuable. When that happens, YouTube pulls back on recommending it, and the views drop sharply. This is why many creators see a brief spike at first, followed by little to no activity. Even if a video fails this first test, it does not always mean the video is bad. Sometimes it was simply shown to the wrong audience. With the right strategy, a stalled video can still recover and find new viewers. Some larger channels don't experience this problem as often. Their audiences are already familiar with their content, and YouTube has enough information to confidently match their videos with the right viewers. Smaller or inconsistent channels, however, don't have this advantage. Because their audience patterns aren't clearly established, YouTube has less data to work with, so each new upload is treated like a completely fresh start. The good news is that when a video slows down after a couple of days, its performance can still be revived. The testing phase can be triggered again, and there are 5 ways to do it. The first method is to add timestamps that include keywords related to the video's topic and niche. These timestamps act like chapters, helping viewers navigate the content while also boosting search visibility. By adding strong keywords to these chapters, new SEO signals are sent to YouTube, giving the video additional metadata. This can help the platform understand the content more clearly and potentially show it to new viewers. Some creators prefer to keep timestamps simple, using labels like Method 1 or Method 2 without revealing details. However, if a video's views drop, replacing those labels with niche-specific, keyword-rich phrases can make a big difference. Examples include changing plain labels to phrases like "How to grow on YouTube," "YouTube growth tips," or "How to get more views." This keeps the structure but adds language that YouTube can easily recognize and recommend to relevant audiences. The second method is something surprisingly few people talk about: refreshing the video based on season or timing. YouTube favors content that feels current, and adding fresh information can give a video new momentum. This works especially well for topics that change over time, such as trends, products, travel spots, workout plans, or anything tied to a specific year. For example, if a video titled "Top 10 Best Side Hustles" slows down, there's no need to delete it. Instead, simply update the title to something like "Best Side Hustles for 2025 Updated" and adjust the thumbnail text to match. These small changes encourage YouTube to treat the video as newly refreshed, often triggering another test phase. The same idea applies to seasonal videos. A video called "Summer Workout Plan" could be updated to "Summer Workout Plan 2025, or a travel video titled "Top European Destinations" could become "Top European Destinations for Winter 2025. These updates help the content feel timely again, which increases its chance of being recommended to new viewers. This kind of update can completely reset a video's click-through rate and encourage YouTube to test it again with a fresh audience that is actively searching for that topic right now. Even small adjustments like this can make a huge difference, so it's worth experimenting. Another method may sound intimidating at first, but it is highly effective. If a video has completely stopped gaining views after the first 48 hours, One option is to re-edit the first 15 seconds and re-upload the video as a new post. The reason this works is simple. Most videos fail not because the overall content is weak, but because the opening doesn't capture attention quickly enough. Viewer retention data makes this clear. The largest drop in audience always happens within the first 30 seconds. If that early section can be improved, the video can perform very differently in the algorithm. If the video remains inactive even after trying other revival strategies, then a full re-upload is worth testing. This involves keeping the main content mostly the same, but improving the initial hook and presentation. There are 3 main changes to focus on: creating a new thumbnail, trying a different title, and rewriting or re-recording the first 15 seconds to make the introduction stronger and more compelling. In many cases, the video itself is solid. The only real problem is that viewers weren't interested enough at the start, and that weak opening prevented YouTube from recommending it. Re-uploading with a few small but powerful improvements can give the video a completely new life. The original version doesn't even need to be deleted unless the creator wants to remove it. Another important strategy is improving audience signals. If viewers aren't watching enough related videos before or after a particular upload, YouTube struggles to understand the viewing pattern and may not know how to recommend that video to more people. When videos repeatedly lose momentum after 48 hours, it helps to manually guide viewers toward a chain of related content. The best way to do this is by linking the struggling video to others on the channel that are still performing well. To put this into action, the creator should open YouTube Studio and find the top performing videos that continue to receive steady traffic. On each of those videos, they can pin a comment and add a link in the description inviting viewers to watch the revived video next. Something simple such as, "If you enjoyed this, make sure to check out this next video. I think you'll love it." This encourages people to continue watching. Cards and end screens can also be added to those videos to direct viewers toward the updated one. Although this may seem time-consuming, it becomes easy with practice, and it helps reconnect the slow video to an active viewer path, which is exactly what the algorithm needs. Finally, another helpful technique, similar to using end screens, is connecting short-form content to the main video. The creator can link all of their shorts directly to the revived upload, pushing more viewers toward it and helping establish a clearer journey across the channel. This strengthens viewer flow and increases the likelihood of YouTube recommending the video again. YouTube offers a helpful feature that allows creators to connect their shorts directly to their long-form videos. When this connection is in place, anyone who watches a short has a higher chance of being recommended the related long-form content immediately afterward. This suggestion usually appears right on the screen, making it far easier for viewers to move from quick clips to a full video. It's a simple but powerful way to guide traffic toward new content. Because of this, every time a creator publishes a new video, it can be valuable to go through each short on the channel and link that latest video to all of them. While it may seem like extra work, these connections can help secure more views and give the new upload more exposure. Over time, this adds up and can make a real difference in performance. To make this process even easier, tools like Nexus Clips can automatically turn long-form content into multiple shorts. Since shorts that relate directly to the main video are more likely to drive interested viewers to it, this method helps build a stronger and more loyal audience. A creator can simply upload their new long-form video to Nexus Clips and let the AI generate around 5 shorts pulled directly from that single upload. These shorts can then be posted to YouTube and linked right back to the main video. With one original upload, the creator suddenly has several different pieces of content circulating, each one offering another opportunity to reach new viewers and bring them to the long-form video. Beyond these strategies, many creators find themselves hitting roadblocks when trying to grow. They may experiment with thumbnails, try different hooks, or follow trends, yet still struggle to gain traction. At that point, investing in a structured YouTube growth program can be one of the smartest steps forward. Nearly every successful creator, whether it's major names like Mr. Beast, Ali Abdaal, or many others, has at some point learned directly from someone else. Whether through online courses, coaching, or mentorship, they gained insights from people already succeeding. that guidance is often one of the biggest shortcuts to faster growth. Ultimately, growing on YouTube is not just about uploading videos. It's a mix of strategy, experimentation, and smart learning. By connecting shorts to main videos, using tools to multiply content, and seeking guidance from those who have already cracked the code, creators can give themselves every advantage. The key is to stay curious, keep improving, and take strategic steps forward, one video at a time. If you like my content and wish to learn more, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming tips and tricks for a successful YouTube journey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.